Journey's first avocado. Initial skepticism, followed by lots of spitting. Oh.
It's good, I promise.
Greasy. It'd be better with some nachos.
Oh shit, I forgot the bib.
You just said a 4-letter word on the video.
Yes, because we never say those. Ever. Especially not in front of our angelic, perfect child. Don't do that. Oh good, already on your shirt. Let's eat it. Mmm, tasty. See how good it is? Mommy likes to eat it. Oh my god.
Fail.
Okay, here we go.
I like how you color coordinated the bib with the food. One more time. They're better than peas.
It's good, I promise.
It's like, more. That's her more symbol.
Yeah, it's not. She's like, I was yawning!
Oh, Sprite.
Still
It's too bright to eat.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can do the airplane. Yeah, she's like, oh. Oh, sorry. Oh, right in the eye. I guess I should have given her a bath after trying the avocado. What's that?